Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing gold starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new Forex trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for that can be found up here in the corner. So on Gold Monthly, we definitely got a pretty good pullback here, but I still think this is a 3, a big ABC of 4, and I think we are going up for a wave 5, and I do not think this wave 5 is over. I think we're going to go up at least to the 61%, and maybe even a lot further than that. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we kind of got to squish this down a little bit to see it, but I think this first move up is a wave 1, this move down is a wave 2, and if this is a wave 3, which I do believe it is, a wave 3 needs to go beyond the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave 1 projected off the bottom of wave 2. That tells me that this move down probably is a correction, and it probably is got a long ways to go to the upside. I think eventually this is all going to end up looking something like that, probably at least up to the $2,200 area. So now let's take a look at that on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we're definitely in a pullback right now. There's no doubt about that. This looks like a 1 to me. This looks like an ABC of 2. This is a big uptrend so far, probably all part of a wave 3. We do have a little bit of a structure break down, but I still think this is going to be a correction. I still think it's going to bounce off one of these two Fibonacci levels, probably a correction to this last wave up, and most likely continue the uptrend to make that big pattern like what I was showing on the longer time frames. So taking it down even more to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, this is definitely a nice downtrend. I believe that whole thing is a wave A. This is 3 waves up right here, and it did kind of break structure, so that probably is the wave B. Now I bet we're going down for wave C, probably at least to the 61, or more likely to the 78% Fibonacci level to finish this wave C. So if you see it go down and then you see an impulsive move up with a break of structure, that will tell me that the trend for the wave C is over, and that's definitely the entry that I'm looking for the continuation of the uptrend. So let's take it down right to the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, I think we're in a wave C. To me, it looks like a 1, 2, 3. I don't even think that wave 3 is over. I bet we got quite a ways to go to the downside. It could definitely end the wave C at the 61%, but it probably is more likely to go down to that 78%, like what I was showing on the 4 hour time frame, to finish off this big ABC correction. So, don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.